Hello everyone, welcome to my undying topic review, and in this undying topic review I will discuss everything what is undying topic is. It's actually a training program where you will learn how to get page 1 ranking on Google with just 10 minutes of work, and you will get tons of free buyer traffic from Google. And this is going to launch on Warrior Plus at 3rd November on 10 a.m. EST time by Philip and Dan, and I will show you everything like the members area of undying traffic, the sales page overview, my exclusive bonus worth over $33,000, and how you can actually make money using this undying traffic secret formula. You can actually act as an affiliate marketer of ClickBank to promote different type of ClickBank products. You can promote Warrior Plus products, JVZoo product, or you can also promote Amazon affiliate marketing Amazon products as an affiliate marketer, and you can also offer the services of website ranking on Fiverr, Upwork, or people per hour, or you can also sell your own service. You can promote CPA offers, because when you can get top rank on Google, you can literally promote anything you want. So let's go to the members area. So before, what is this actually, I like to know you. See, this is actually a top secret method by Philip and Dan. They are using to get page number 1 on Google to get free buyer traffic. You all know that Google search traffic is very buyer intent traffic. So you are getting that Google search traffic by ranking on page 1 on Google, and without video creation, without being on camera, without writing anything, you can be page 1 on Google and get thousands of tons of traffic who will actually convert into leads and sales. Okay, and see, you can get insane amount of free traffic from Google, rank and bank the easy way. This is a very secret formula. See the income screenshot, and when you can rank on top of Google for any keyword you want, this will very normal, this will be very normal. See, so we all know that traffic is the lifeblood of any business. If you have traffic, you can promote CPA offers, you can promote affiliate offers, different type of affiliate offers, weight loss, make money, digital marketing software, anything you can promote. And if you have no traffic, you can literally promote nothing. If you have no traffic, you have no money. This is the final truth. So this is the members area. You just need to log in into this members area. The first, this is the welcome video from Philip and Dan. This is the welcome video from Philip. This he will introduce you what is actually undying traffic and what can this secret formula do for you. And this is the welcome video from Dan Khan. Then you will get $43,000 in 7 days case study. This is the free training by Philip. This is absolutely amazing. You will get the full overview how undying traffic actually work in this video. And see, this is the case study and overview intro, and this is the main training section. You will learn how to create your channel, and most importantly and amazing thing is, no video is needed for doing this. You don't need to being on camera, you don't need to do video yourselves, do voice over yourself, nothing. You will learn how to create your channel without any video, without being on camera. Okay, and you will, in this section you will know how to get approval for, we all know in the case of Warrior Plus or JVZoo, and that affiliate marketer needs to be approved by the offers by vendors to promote. And if any affiliate marketer is very beginner or newbie in the marketplace, it's tough to get approved by the vendors at first time. We all know that, and this applicable for JVZoo and Warrior Plus. In case of ClickBank, you are getting affiliate link instantly, no problem. But for JVZoo and Warrior Plus, you need to be approved by the vendors to promote their offers. And there are lots of new products being launched daily on Warrior Plus and JVZoo. So it's important for new affiliate or every affiliates to be approved by the vendors. It's very important because if you have no affiliate approval affiliate link, you can't promote the products. Okay, so and in this section Philip will teach you how to the secret formula by how to get a very effective formula. I have seen it. This is actually effective formula and you will get 100 times. I know it will just and the things can't be 100%. That's why you will get 99% times get approved for any affiliate link you want by this technique. This is very awesome. And in this section you will see the magic, how the magic happen with this strategy. This is a very awesome secret strategy. With this you just need 10 minutes of time to get ranked for any offer you want to promote on Google first page. See what can happen if you rank on first page of Google. Okay, and this is the video how to unleash the power, utilizing the power of this secret strategy. The overall method is strategy how to promote like WordPlus products, JVC products, ClickBank products, all things are included here. And the true way of financial freedom, actually if you do the things carefully and properly and you can take massive action, you will obviously see that true financial freedom if you work according to this. And these are some upgrades. The first one is Pro version. The Pro version will teach you how to 20 times more traffic and 20 times more profit using the same time frame using this strategy. In this Pro version you will know how to do that. The same amount of work will make your profits 20x time or 20x time traffic. Okay, and this is very amazing, the local takeover. In this upgrade you will know how to help your local business owners to help their websites to page on Google and sell this service to them as monthly recurring system. You can charge $500 per month for one client, and this business model can easily make you $2,000 to $5,000 per month fixed recurring model. You just need like 6 or 7 client. You just need 6 or 7 client to fix your month like $3,000 per month. Because if a one client give you $500 per month, so just 6 client will make you $3,000 per month. And this upgrade will teach you how you can do so by helping the local business owners by ranking their websites on Google top results, and you can charge them $500 or $1,000 per month as your wish, and you will know everything, how to grab those clients, where to find those clients, how to close those clients, and how to deliver your work, the paperwork, the everything you will know in this upgrade. This is fantastic. This is just $37 or $47 price, and this is the super funnel. They will build the done for you funnel and they will rank your funnel on Google first page to build your list that will make you money for the lifetime. And this is the resell right upgrade. That means you can sell these products and keep 100% commission. And this is the income overall. In here you will get their past six products with 100% resell right. Okay, and this is some bonus. I will give you also my exclusive bonuses. I am explaining everything later. So how you can, so you will know how to rank on page 1 Google using this secret formula. So how you can utilize to get the best results of undying traffic. See, like for WordPlus, go to this product was to profit. This has been launched, and we all know. Go to the Manchai. This is a launch calendar. You can use it because when you can rank Google on Google, you should know this site. See, this is the launch calendar. You will know. See, the Zevizu, Warrior Plus, ClickBank. I am showing you the example. This product is being launched 2 days ago. Was to profit. Like search on YouTube. Was to profit reviews. See, 2 days ago 567 views, 159 views, and this is actually mine. 2 days 107 views. So when you can rank on Google, and this is very buyer keyword, review keyword, that means the who are searching this keyword, they already know about the product. So review keyword is very buyer intent keyword, and with very small quantity of views or small quantity of traffic will make you sales, will make you profits, because this is very targeted and buyer keyword. I already got sales with this, just these views, and see what are the views. So when you can rank on Google, you can literally dominate everything. We will get sales for sure. And you can do this for ClickBank. Just go to the marketplace. For ClickBank, there are thousands of products. So you can literally do anything with these products. And not only reviews, you can literally rank any keyword. There are some secret tricks you will learn in this method. And see the ClickBanks, like there are lots of category, and you can choose anything, you can promote anything, because for example I am go to the affiliate marketing system. See, there are lots of product, commission hero, free traffic system, there are lots of product. For 20-minute affiliate system, go. You can go to Google also. See, the Google is suggesting. So if you can rank, just imagine, if you can rank on this keyword, just imagine how many sales, how much sales you can make if you can rank under this keyword. See, if you can, how many people have ranked on this. Okay, you can also check this also here, YouTube. See, 3 weeks ago 421, 13,000. You can imagine that under the product name the view is 13,000. You can't imagine how much sale he has made with this 504,000 views. So when you can rank on Google, the limit is unlimited. Okay, you can get unlimited traffic and you can get unlimited sales. So this is actually, you can promote ClickBank products, you can promote Warrior Plus products, you can promote JVC products, or you can promote tons of Amazon products very easily. The competition is very low on Amazon and the sales frequency is very high. So you should take the Amazon affiliate marketing space, because there will be no competition on there. So, and he will show everything inside this. So, and this is the Fiverr. You can also especially the local takeover. If you take this, you can do this very easily. They will teach how to find your client on LinkedIn, Facebook, and any other social platform. Or there are different way to take your client to offer your service to helping local business owner by helping their websites to get rank on Google. And you can also do this on Fiverr. Like I have searched website ranking. See, I will deliver monthly SEO, and you basically don't need to do anything much, because under the technique you can do this under 10 minutes. This $60, $10, see, $50, $20, $30, $65. So you can offer your service here also, Fiverr, Upwork, literally anything. And if you take this, you can literally grab your client from anywhere. You don't need to offer your service on Fiverr or any other freelancing site. You can get your client from anywhere and you can do the business very easily. This upgrade is very awesome, and this will teach you 20x time more traffic and 20x time more profit. So this is the members area. So let's go to the bonus section. I have put the link in my description below. When you purchase, you will get all the bonuses automatically as affiliate bonus on your access page. The first one is YouTube Velocity. This is will unlock set and forget free bad traffic from Google and YouTube. And this is Meep. Meep puts the, this is actually discovery ad codes and actually a bonus page generator software. This is awesome. This is Shina. This is a software for bringing free buyer traffic for any niche you want. And this is Zenobia. This is awesome software. This is Cleopatra software. I like it most because I use it myself for bringing free traffic from LinkedIn. You all know LinkedIn leads are very qualified leads that will bring sales, and this converts very awesome. And this Cleopatra softwares will help you to bring leads and free buyer traffic from LinkedIn. So this is very awesome. And then Golden Stash, then Tweetex. This is a software for bringing free buyer traffic from Twitter. This one. Then Forget About Broke. This is a course by Johnny Roche. This is a very awesome course. And this is Nova. This is a Chrome extension that allows you to follow target audience from TikTok. On TikTok is very trending, you should use it. Then Lazy Traffic is Sniper. This is a brand new solution for finding and monetizing free buyer traffic. This is awesome. This is the step-by-step system list lariat for list building. Then Arial Association, you will learn how to leverage free traffic to make affiliate commission, and this is 100% proven method. If you want to work on it, you will get results for must. Midas Touch, this is a step-by-step affiliate marketing training. Traffic Underdog, this is all about traffic methods. And the 6-figure secrets, this is a to Z blueprint for building a 6-figure affiliate marketing business. Then Affiliate Take Up, this is very beginner friendly method, and anyone can do this and expect very fast results with this method. The Super Shakedown, then Profit Scope, this is will teach you how to hijack or steal others' big affiliate traffic for your own. This is a very awesome course. If you use it, you will get awesome result. And Profit Force, this is awesome course. Octagon, this is a software. Elevate, this is a done for you automation app that creates 100% automated software to cache in autopilot. This is the app which create apps. Okay. This is Accelerate. You will learn how to leverage free traffic to make high ticket commissions. High ticket commission is very trending. You should know it. This is Goldmine Seeker, and there are lots of bonuses here. You will get everything automatically when you purchase through my link. I have put the link in my description below, and you will get some discount. Just go to the sales page when you want to purchase, then just go to the cursor button. See, you will get 25% discount. See, when you go to the cursor button, you will get 25% discount. So don't forget to use this discount. It will save you some money. So I suggest you to take this discount, and don't forget to take my exclusive bonuses. So this is all about Undyne traffic, and you know traffic is everything, and Google search traffic is fantastic traffic. So if you able to rank page on Google, it will be dominating thing. So this is amazing, and this is a very secret formula Philip and Dan are teaching. So I highly recommend it to use, because there is nothing better than getting page 1 ranking on Google. So I highly recommending it. So I hope this Undyne traffic video review video will help you to make your purchase decision. And if you enjoy this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So this is for today. See you soon.